In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy multiple Apex Trader accounts. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up a favorite browser and then go up to apextrader.com. Also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you'll need to go up to the sign up function up here. And here you'll be able to select between your plans. And you can select between all of these different plans that Apex Trader funding supports. I'm just going to choose the 100k full right here. Once you click on that, you'll see this page right here. And here you'll need to select whether or not this account needs to be owned by a company. And if you click on that, you'll need to click in your business or company name and all of these other information. But if you're a private person, you'll just need to click this off again. From here, you'll need to enter your full legal name, your email address, you'll confirm your email address. You'll need to choose a username for your account, choose a password, confirm your password, select your country, street, city, state, zip code, and phone number. Once you've done that, you'll need to click I agree to receive marketing. And you'll need to click that or else you will not be able to register for an account. You'll also need to go down here to see that you have read and agreed to the user agreement, and I request immediate access to my account and services. Down here you can also choose whether or not you are a professional or non-professional trader. You just need to click on this one right here. From here you'll need to click next, then add in your credit card details and then pay for your account. From here, you'll get access into the dashboard and be able to trade from Apex Trader funding. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!